Okay, I just turned the TV off. You guys. Excuse me. That's the beer. That's the beer belch, everybody. You guys, look at my eyes. Look how dark they are. You guys, it's after 11 o'clock. And you guys know I go to bed early. So why am I up having, look, I went to happy hour. I'm having happy hour in my house. Look, you guys, if you can't be happy at home, where can you be happy? Oh, I'm happy in my house. I'm happy to be going to bed too. That's between you and I. You guys, I had so much fun today. OMG. I was gonna go out when I came home, but I'm so glad that he answered that phone.